Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Polar Instant Dye Hair Shampoo. This product promises to cover up gray hair effortlessly, providing instant results while deeply nourishing your hair and restoring a youthful color in just a few minutes. They also emphasize that it's packed with natural ingredients and free from harsh chemicals, which sounds pretty appealing, right? But as always, we need to dig a little deeper to see if Polar Hair Care is legit or just another scam. First off, let's talk about the before and after images on their website. They look suspiciously familiar, like they might be copied from other social media posts or even other hair dye product promotions. This raises a red flag because it suggests that the images might not be genuine representations of the product's results. And it doesn't stop there. The glowing reviews on their website claim a 4.8-star rating with nearly 1,500 positive reviews, but these reviews look like text-filed images that seem pre-made. It's likely these were created to lure in customers rather than provide honest feedback. Another thing that stands out is their claim that the product has been featured in big-name magazines like InStyle, Elle, and Vogue. However, there's no evidence of this product being featured in any of these publications. It feels like they might be just throwing big names around to make the product look more credible, which is pretty misleading. When I tried to find genuine reviews, I noticed the product isn't available on major platforms like Amazon, where users typically post honest feedback. Not being on reputable sites is concerning, especially for a product that claims such impressive results. Their Instagram page, while having a decent following of around 10,000 followers, barely has any engagement. With a product that supposedly has such a strong customer base, you'd expect more interaction or at least some reviews on social media. Another red flag is their claims. They promise full gray coverage without frizz, quick results in just 10 minutes, and a completely natural formula without harsh chemicals. These are big claims, but there's no solid evidence backing them up. Instead of in-depth explanations or scientific proof, they mostly share generic videos without any real information on how their shampoo works or what makes it different. So at the end of the day, it's up to you if you want to try Polar Hair Dye Shampoo. It could be an effective product, but with all these red flags, copied images, questionable reviews, and unverified claims, there's definitely reason to be cautious.